Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Lelit Bianca with us in the shop, and I had came in for a few things, mainly the steam one rod that's inside that holds your gasket in place actually had snapped off the top, as you can see here. This is where the C-clip would be located, and whenever you twist that knob outwards, this valve gets pulled back, which will release steam into the steam one. Sometimes that little, since it's so thin, that brass can snap off and the C-clip will fall off, and then you can't use your steam on anymore, and so the valve would just close into the machine. So we had to replace that. And then also I noticed that the hot water tap was completely clogged. After taking off a valve on top of the boiler and running a camera snake into the boiler, I looked at the bottom where the pipe was connected, and the pipe was completely sealed off with scale. So what I ended up doing is I took off the pipe entirely, descaled that, cleaned it out on the side, and then for the boiler, I sealed off the boiler from the bottom using a little plug, and then put just probably yay amount of descaler inside of the boiler and let it sit overnight. What that did is it broke down all of the minerals, just because the minerals were in nice big chunks. By the time I got back the next morning, all the chunks were completely dissipated into the descaler. And then I emptied the boiler out through the bottom because all I did was plug it up instead of putting the pipe back on. And then fully drained it out, rinsed it out with water, and now you have a completely bottom cleaned steam boiler to your Bianca. And of course a clean pipe and everything, and we will test the hot water tap here just to make sure. But besides that, yeah, that's about all we did. I'm gonna pull this. This is a plumbed-in machine. However, we don't have it hooked up to the water line, so we connect it to a bucket. This usually amounts to smaller PSI, but that's perfectly fine. And then if you open the steam on here, steam on working well. Got a 4-hole on this one, which is really neat. And then lastly, the important one is the hot water tap. So if I open this, hot water comes out nice and clean, no clogs there. And then of course the pump will kick on to refill the boiler. And that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.